Hello guys, I am back. Welcome you all with this. Today I will be presenting you the brand new Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, and here it is, finally, world premiere here on my YouTube channel. Unfortunately, due to COVID-19, we couldn't have the possibility to see the car in full flash. Therefore, we'll be doing a full look around to show you and present you this beautiful masterpiece. So in today's video, I will be doing a look around, showing you all the exterior features, including the front, the side, and the interior as well, and finish it all off with a resume. So let's talk about this car in specific. Here we have the brand new Mercedes-Maybach. As you can see, beautiful two-tone exterior finish, obsidian black, diamond white, nice looking front. So let's just get right into it with the look around, starting with the front of this majestic S-Class. As you know, they have presented the S-Class 2 months ago, and now here is the Maybach version as expected. Full front is finished in chrome, starting with the nice looking headlights here. These are the optional digital headlights, which are optional for the S-Class, the normal stock S-Class, but stock for the Maybach model, looking very nice. The center eyebrow and the 3 LED torches giving this car a perfect look, especially with the nice looking blue details integrated in the headlight unit. Guys, this looks phenomenal. How do you like it on the Maybach? Continuing now with the front grille, as you can instantly see here, we have the Maybach front, which we all know, all the vertical stripes, full finished in chrome, and the front bumper, as you can also see, full finished in chrome, which gives this nice looking luxurious touch. Something I didn't like is the front camera. Do you see that popping out of the covers, which doesn't look good? But something very special about this, do you see the Mercedes-Benz star? And behind that we have a chrome bar on the middle of the bonnet, giving this car a very elegant touch. I've already seen spy shots and I was not really sure if they're going to do it, but it looks very nice, and it's the first time Mercedes is doing this. So that's it basically for the nice looking front of this beautiful S-Class. You see the animation of the starting headlights. How do you guys like it? Continuing now with the side, and you can instantly see my favorite rims. Yes guys, the monoblock rims. Look at the beautiful transition of the black top and white bottom, two-tone color match, looking very nice. Now talking about the monoblock wheels, guys, look at this, full finished in chrome, the Maybach center lock in the middle with the Mercedes star, nice 5-spoke. These are huge. I guess these are 20 inches. I love them, and they fit perfectly on the brand new Mercedes Maybach. It's the best option you can get, guys. There are a lot who hate these rims, but I love them. Now let's continue here on the side, and as you can instantly see, all the side frames are finished in chrome. You can see the door handles also finished in chrome, the seamless ones, and you can also see the door handles now popping out. The beautiful Maybach emblem, there's also something very special on that, but I'm going to present you with the next sequence. Just look at this. The door handles popping out when you unlock the car, looking very nice and elegant. Also, when you start up the car in the night, you have the welcoming lights, the Maybach specific ones, which is beautiful. Just imagine unlocking your car in the middle of night, looking at this. And now look at the C-pillar. We have a Maybach emblem here and it's illuminated. Oh my god, guys, I love this. It's time to concentrate on the rear. And now something very important. I told you all, the Maybach rear will look 10 times better. And in my opinion, the taillights of the S-Class fit very nice with the Maybach look. You have the new exhaust tips and else. Talking about the taillights, you see 116 pins looking very nice. We also have an animation of that. We'll show you afterwards. Continuing here, we have the nice looking and updated exhaust tips for the Maybach, full chrome look. Very, very beautiful. Maybach emblem also on the rear, and the chrome bar as usual, looking very cool. Now look at this. If you start up and unlock the car, we didn't have that with the press car with the S-Class first time. You have this nice dynamic light movement even when you lock the car again. You see this? Wow, I expected them to present something like this, but as we didn't have it with the press car back in the days, I was so confused, but this looks very nice. Just look at this now. again for a last time. Yes, finally, perfect. And it does look very nice with the new S-Class. So how do you guys like the rear of the updated S-Class Maybach? Does it look now much better? Are you still not convinced about the taillights? What do you think? Really curious about your opinion. Now it's time to present you with the beautiful interior, guys. Look at this full white and bright interior headrest with the beautiful Kuschelkissen Maybach emblem, nice diamond stitching on the seats, Maybach entrance board. And now this nice looking interior, wow, full white and black trim with the flowing lines in piano. This is the only piano option I like. Normally I don't like piano, but only if you have the flowing lines you can go for the piano look. I would definitely recommend you guys to go for the wooden trim because there are too many piano parts in the S-Class interior. Therefore, just for nice looking contrast, but still just look at the lines in the interior. Absolutely amazing. Now it's time to concentrate on the steering wheel. You see that we even have a two-tone steering wheel matching with the exterior. And something I didn't like is the steering wheel frame. Guys, what is this? It's full piano. It doesn't look good. And it's exactly the same we have with the updated E-Class. You see we have the Maybach on the bottom. The airbag cover is full finished in leather, looking very nice. All in all, it looks very, very beautiful, but I don't like the piano trim on the steering wheel frame. Now let me also show you something very, very special on this, and it's the animation. You know, I'm a huge fan and lover of animations. As you see, Maybach emblem popping up as soon as you enter the new Maybach. Here again for you, just to look at this. And now with the Maybach emblems in the background, creating a whole new mood, guys. This is lovely, awesome. Now let's concentrate more on the rear passenger seat row on the first class. Guys, you know, they have extended the S-Class Maybach up to 18 centimeters to have more space in the rear. And now look at this. You have two champagne glasses here matching it. You can chill in the back, get chauffeured and drink and enjoy some champagne. Even here we have the Kuschelkissen with the Maybach emblems looking very nice. And now if you put the seat in back, you have very nice and exclusive seating position, which is so comfortable, guys. It's very, very nice. Also here we have the two displays. They are touch, but you can also use them with the touchpad in the middle. You also have the nice flowing piano trim, which looks very nice. The ambient lighting looking very, very cool. And now look at this, the center console of the rear passenger seats. It's automatic. There's a button for that to open and close them. You see that? There you have the cup holders, the climate change controls and else. Also Maybach emblem over there looking very nice. The vents also nice brushed chrome finish. And now concentrating on the door panels, you see with the Burmester sound speakers. Wow! All these elements, look at this, creating a 3D effect looking very, very nice. Guys, it's all about the details. I don't like the piano, but it fits, guys. I really like it. So that's it basically for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. How do you guys like the brand new Maybach? Do you like it or are you not a big fan? Looking forward to read all your comments. And I also hope I will have the possibility to see it in full flash and give you my real impressions, to show you around this car or maybe drive it. So stay tuned for that. Wish you all a great day. I will be back.